Most guys have been completely lied to. They think getting an anime physique means destroying yourself for 2 hours in the gym every day, following a complex 6-day split, and eating meals with ingredients you can't even pronounce. That is pure cap. You don't need any of that. What you actually need is this: 8 specific body weight movements and 3 basic meals. That's it. If you skip just one of these steps, you'll stay trapped looking like a background character forever. Pay close attention to exercise number 8, because it's the ultimate secret to that tight manga core that nobody talks about. Let's get it. The anime physique isn't about being a bulky powerhouse. It's about sharp proportions, wide shoulders, a lean torso, visible abs, and a deep V taper. The secret? Body weight mastery. The 8 exercise formula. 1. Pull-ups. The absolute king of upper body. Pull-ups build your lats to create that chin, godlike back. 3 sets of max reps. Even if you can only do 2, stay consistent. 2. Pike push-ups. Targets your front and side delts to build cannonball shoulders without needing heavy weights. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Slow down the movement to maximize the burn. 3. Parallel or chair dips. Builds the lower chest and triceps simultaneously. Lean forward slightly to put the pressure entirely on your chest. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. 4. Push-up variations. Stop doing standard push-ups. Rotate between wide grip for chest, diamond grip for triceps, and decline for upper chest to completely avoid plateaus. 3 sets of 10 to 20 reps. 5. Hanging knee raises. Real abs are built hanging, not doing crunches. Bring your knees to your chest and control the negative. Progress to straight legs over time. 3 sets of 15 to 20 reps. 6. Inverted rows. Set up a bar or a broomstick between 2 chairs. Pull your chest up to hit your mid-back and rear delts so your physique doesn't look flat from behind. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. 7. Pistol squats. Anime heroes have lean, functional leg power. Single leg pistol squats build insane balance and quad definition. Use a door frame for assistance if needed. 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps per leg. 8. The L-City hold. The secret. Sit on the floor, place your hands by your hips, and lift your entire lower body straight out. This forces your core, hip flexors, and triceps to stabilize, giving you that hyper-tight midsection. 3 sets of 5 to 10-second holds. The 3-meal blueprint. Meal 1, the startup. 4 eggs, any style, plus a bowl of oats with a banana. High-quality protein and slow-burning carbs to fuel your day without breaking the bank. Meal 2, the fuel. Rice, chicken breast, and green veggies, or rice and lentils if plant-based. Eat this 90 minutes before or right after your workout. Never starve your muscles. Meal 3, the recovery. Cottage cheese or Greek yogurt mixed with nuts and fruit. Low carbs, high overnight protein to repair your body while you sleep. The blueprint is simple, but execution is where people quit. Week 1 is easy. Week 2 gets tough. Week 3 is where 90% of people give up. Anime protagonists don't get strong in a single montage. They grind through every single training arc. If you are part of the 10% ready to lock in, drop them in the comments right now. If you want the full workout schedule, comment blueprint, and I'll send it over. Subscribe for real fitness advice. Let's get to work.